In today's video, I will walk you through how to add EMA Clouds in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where your trading tools and indicators are visible. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Just below the Add Widget option, locate the Indicators icon. When you find the Indicators icon, click on it to open the Indicators menu. Inside the Indicators menu, select Add Indicator to continue. After clicking Add Indicator, a list of available indicators will appear on the screen. From here, you can scroll through the list manually or use the search box to locate EMA Clouds more efficiently. If you choose the search option, click on the search box and type EMA. As the results load, look for EMA Clouds in the list and click on it to add it directly to your chart. Once selected, EMA Clouds will automatically be applied to your chart view, and you will see the cloud formation appear over your price action. Take a moment to confirm that the indicator has been successfully added before moving on. Next, proceed to customize the indicator settings if needed. Locate the Settings option connected to EMA Clouds and click on it to open the Customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will see available options that control how the EMA Clouds are displayed on your chart. You can adjust these visual settings based on your preferred trading setup and chart style. As you make changes, the chart will update automatically in real time so you can immediately preview how the EMA Clouds will look. Once you are done making adjustments, close the Settings panel to apply your changes. The EMA Clouds will remain active on your chart with the updated configuration. You can continue using Robinhood Legend while the indicator stays visible as part of your chart layout. That is how you add EMA Clouds in Robinhood Legend and customize it using the Settings menu.